Hey guys, this is Shikha and welcome back to my channel. So today is day 12 of our 30 day of smoothie challenge, and today I'll be sharing one of my favorite green detox smoothie. All the measurements will be listed in the description box down below, so feel free to check. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And yeah, let's just go right into the video. First ingredient we are using today is green apples, and green apples are rich in vitamin A and C, really great for your bones, has anti-aging properties, and it's low in fat, and this will add the perfect amount of sweetness to this recipe. Next up, I'm using cucumber, and this is really great for your skin and provides hydration. Okay, next up I'm using celery, and it has anti-inflammatory properties, really good for bloating and digestion, and also aids in weight loss. Next up I'm using our greens, which is kale, and this is rich in fiber. And next up I'm using a little bit of ginger. This one aids digestion, and it's really good for your throat. Next up, I'll be using a half of a lime. It's high in vitamin C and will help in alkalizing your body. And to blend everything together, I'm using coconut water, but you can use a plain water if you wish to. I choose this because it's a natural electrolyte and provides hydration. If you are someone who loves refreshing smoothies, you are going to love this stuff. And as you can see, we have used all high quality and the ingredients which is good for detoxification. So this is really good one. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching this and you're going to recreate this recipe. And if you did so, don't forget to let me know in the comment section down below. And I will see you guys tomorrow with a new healthy smoothie recipe. Till then, bye.